right?
Yeah, so then what will you get by master theorem? Now you have to see what you will get by master theorem.
So then we have to apply the condition third or second. No? F of n is equal to theta of n log to the base b of a.
I
Then
don't know.
E
You
of
look at
n.
the theorem and you decide what you want to apply. And you should
Yes,
remember the three cases because tomorrow in quiz you will not be able to look at the theorem. Yeah? You will not get time. So you simply look at the theorem now and decide what case you want to apply.
sir, second one it will be true. I think so.
I don't want you to ask me like this. You solve and you give me the answer. Then we'll see whether it is correct
Okay,
or
sir.
not. Somebody else is also solving. Somebody else is solving by recurrence tree so that we can compare answers.
Sir, I am getting 0.62 0.59913.
What is that?
Sir, of by master method.
By master method, what is this? Answer of what?
Sir, answer.
Of what? T of n.
Yes, sir, T of n.
T of n is a number like this. T of n is not n log n or n square or n cube, something like that. T of n is a number like this. Are you following master theorem?
Yes, sir.
And how can you get a number like this?
Sir, I divided that theta of n log second condition I have used, and theta of n log 8 to the base 2.
Okay, so n, where did n go at least? How did you just get a number? Where did n go?
Sir, n I didn't take, sir.
How can you not take? What does master theorem tell? You said you applied second case.
Yes, sir.
So if f of n is theta n to the log a to the base b, then t of n is what?
Sir, it will be equal to theta of fn.
Theta of?
Theta
Do
of
you have master theorem
fn
with you?
square.
Do you have master theorem with you?
Yes, sir. I have.
Where do you? बुक है, स्लाइड है, क्या है?
Sir, notes से have.
कौन सा नोट्स? मैंने लिख के दिया हुआ स्लाइड है क्या कि क्या है?
Yes, sir. You have written and give.
है ना, तो उसमें प्रिंटेड हुआ होगा ना, मैंने तो हाथ से लिखा नहीं होगा मास्टर थ्योरम, है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ओके, सो लेट्स गो हियर. दिस इज मास्टर थ्योरम. This is what you have.
Yes, sir.
So you said you apply case 2. So if f of n is theta of n raised to log a to the base b, then t
Yes,
of
sir.
n is this. You never said this. 2-3 बार मैंने पूछ लिया, आपने ये भी नहीं बताया. आपको क्या कंफ्यूजन है? आपने ये पढ़ के नहीं बताया मुझे.
Sir,
n raised to log a to the
that
base
part
b
also
नहीं
I have
बताया.
done.
log n आया नहीं. तो आपने लिखा कैसे? How did you get t of n is equal to some number? t of n is equal to this, just this, है ना? ये क्या होगा? a और b डाल के बता, ये क्या होगा?
Sir, means n will remain as it is, no? N, because it is not, but I have taken the means I have removed that whole theta of n log
Why did you remove it?
b.
I don't understand. Why did you remove it? It's given in the theorem, no? If f looks like this, then t of n is equal to this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You have to apply the theorem. F looks like this, then t of n is equal to this. Then you
Yes,
should
sir.
tell me this. No? How did you get a number? I don't know. What did you do? What what did, what calculation did you do?
Sir, I have first assumed this way, means what you have shown. That way I have assumed, as well
Okay,
as.
let's do one thing. Okay, let us. I will write down the solution to this now. Here, whatever you have written now, right? So far,
Yes, sir.
I want you to send me a photo of that on my email. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Immediately after the tutorial, I want to see a
Yes, sir.
photo of that. Whatever you have written, not what I will write now. अभी मैं इसके बाद जो लिखूंगा वो नहीं चाहिए मुझे. This, what you solved now and you gave me this answer, right?
Yes, sir.
That I want to see. I want to see what you have calculated, how you applied this theory. Is that okay? Will you send me by email? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
So send me after the tutorial. Send me the email. Okay?
Okay, sir. But
Email, email.
where to
Email, I
send
will put
to
a
your
description.
number?
Email.
Okay.
email I have put in MS Team में लिखा है मैंने.
Okay, sir.
आज ही पोस्ट किया था.
Thank you, sir.
हाँ. So this is the problem we have. So let us first solve by master method. Anybody else? You have solved anything or what have you done? Anybody wants to give me an answer? Hello. Sweetie, Sangvi, Neelam, Bhagyashree, Rishabh, Harshada, Bhakti, Zeenat, Priya, Sai, Salma, संकेत, सूर्य प्रकाश, आप लोगों ने कुछ किया है? दीपक, भाविका, व्हाट वर यू डूइंग राइट नाउ? कुछ सॉल्व किया है, कुछ ट्राई किया है? देखो आधा घंटा हो गया है ट्यूटोरियल शुरू होके ऑलमोस्ट, है ना? 20 मिनट तो हो ही गया है. सो व्हाट हैव यू डन? Okay, anyways, so comparing with the usual form that we have for master theorem, a p of n is equal to a p of n by p plus f of n. We have a is equal to 8, p is equal to 2, f of n is equal to, let's just take n square. We don't even have to take theta because it's a constant, right? So we can take c times n square for, or we can simply take n square. That is also fine. Okay? We can think of this as theta fn, not a problem. Okay. The point being, in order to solve this, you don't need to take theta inside or outside. You just need the inside expression. That is enough. Okay. All right. So we have this. Now, what do we compute then? We need to know what is log a to the base b is equal to log of 8 to the base 2. How much is this equal to? Log 8 to the base 2. How much is this? भाई और बहनों, log 8 to the base 2.
3.
Thank you. That's equal to 3. Because 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Right? Simple stuff. Yeah. So, but f of n is just n square, right? So, which of the following cases will apply? Let's go back to master theorem. Which case should apply? Log a to the base b now is equal to 3. I'll remove this part because you have to use this again. Log a to the base b is equal to 3. Which case will apply? F of n, is it less than n cube or greater than n cube or equal to n cube? What is it? Sorry, Akshada, सुना ही नहीं दिया. Can you repeat?
Less than 10.
Less than. तो कौन सा केस अप्लाई होगा इस थ्योरम का?
Sir, third one.
Third one.
No, sir, no.
Think again. First case, n raised to log a to the base b minus epsilon. This is less than n raised to log a to the base b. This is equal to n raised to log a to the base b. Third case is greater than n raised to log a to the base b. So, which case will you apply?
Oh, sir, first one, right?
Who is this?
Sai.
Yeah, first one. Is it clear to everyone that first case will apply?
Yes, sir.
Minus epsilon. Epsilon turns out to be 1 in this case. Epsilon could be anything. Epsilon could be 0.1 also. That is fine. But something positive. So the first case applies. Okay, so let me just. So if the first case applies, then d of n is what? Theta of n raised to log a to the base b. Therefore, by master theorem, so we have f of n is equal to n square is equal to big O n raised to q. Sorry, n square. Big O n raised to 3 minus 1. You see? Big O n raised to log a to the base b minus 1. Right. This implies by master theorem, what do we get by master theorem? T of n is equal to theta Harshada, बताओ T of n is equal to
Theta log log a to the base b. और
हाँ
log
तो कितना है log a to the base b?
3.
हाँ तो पूरा बताओ एक सेंटेंस में आंसर क्या है? थीटा
n equals to theta of 3.
अरे भाई साहब, थीटा ऑफ 3.
नहीं, theta of log a to the base 2.
हर्षदा सुनो, थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट देख के मुझे बताओ, देख के बताओ, ठीक है? देख के बताओ. T of n is what?
T of n equals to theta of n log a to the base b.
वो n नहीं है, n raised to पावर में है log.
हाँ,
ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्या? वो n into
हाँ,
log
सर.
नहीं है, n raised to log.
हाँ,
Come on man. दोनों में फर्क है यार, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एक्सपोनेंट में. हाउ कैन यू You cannot be careless when you read, when you write. You will not get anything. ऐसे आप solve करोगे तो कहाँ पहुँचोगे? ऐसे तो हमने एक दो प्रॉब्लम किए थे ना पहले. मास्टर थ्योरम में तो कुछ सॉल्व भी करना नहीं है, बस एक लॉग निकाल के कंपेयर करके देखना क्या है. थ्योरम बताता है आंसर क्या है, कैलकुलेट करने का भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ रहा है आपको. So all of you did BSc mathematics or something else? Anybody has done graduation in some other subject and is finding difficulty? You have to tell me. Because I am assuming that everybody has done BSc mathematics. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ सबसे. Hello, I want an answer.
Yes, sir.
From everybody from Mumbai University?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
then why do you find these things difficult? Something like this. Are you all with a pen and paper at least in hand, or are you just trying to solve it in your mind? In your mind, it will not work. You will make mistakes like this. That let me guarantee. You should have a pen and paper in your hand. And if you have a pen and paper in your hand, you should not be making mistakes like this. These are very silly mistakes. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let us solve the same thing. So let me just put theta as well. Let's solve the same thing by recurrence tree. Anybody tried recurrence tree here? What were you trying? We had 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes I did nothing. I was just waiting. What were you trying? साई, आप कुछ ट्राई किए थे जब हम शुरुआत में प्रॉब्लम लिखे थे तो?
Sir, I was trying to solve. मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत पता है इसका, but I'm not getting how to start.
Start what? Which method are you trying?
Recurrence tree.
But we solved 2-3 problems by recurrence tree. You just have to draw a tree, right? First. That's the first
Yes,
thing.
sir. Yes,
Right.
sir.
So what was your problem? I mean, where did you get stuck? Can you tell me exactly where you got stuck?
लाइक जब भी हम सॉल्व करते हैं वी स्टार्ट एक लाइक जैसे हमने प्रीवियस एग्जांपल में किया था cn² से हमने स्टार्ट किया था एक टर्म से.
Correct. So you take this. So Tn by 2. Right. उसके बाद
then we'll take that term cn².
correct.
ऊपर और
So at the
उसके
top the
8
cost is
branches.
cn square.
Yes,
Then
sir.
there will be 8 branches. You're right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then what will you have here?
cn by 2 square.
C by 2 square. 8 times, right? So the first step, total cost is cn square. What is the total cost here? What is the total cost here? There are 8 terms. Just add them. 8 into c into n by 2 square. कितना हो गया?
2 cn².
Very good. So this is the cost here. Okay. Then next line, well, you don't need to draw the whole diagram, right? You only need to draw it for one. You know that it is 8 times getting copied. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. What is the term coming here? C times n by 4 square and 8 times. Did you do this? I mean, are you trying something? Where did you get stuck? I'm not expecting you to solve the whole thing if that is what you're asking. But you should have done something, and then you should tell me if you're getting stuck. Right? If it's complete radio silence, what am I supposed to understand? What am I supposed to expect? There's a problem, you see. So every node of Cn squared is going to give me this. What is the cost in one node? 8 into C into n by 4 whole square. How much is this? फोर स्क्वायर कितना है?
C n square by 2.
Cn square by 2. Okay. But now you have 8 of them, right? So Cn square by 2 multiplied 8 times. How much do you get? Because you have to do the same thing 8 times, right? For each of them. You have to
Yes,
do the
sir.
same thing
4
once.
Cn square.
8 times. Okay. So that gives you what? 4 Cn square.
4 Cn square.
Correct. So at height 0 you have 1 Cn squared. At height 1 you have 2 Cn squared. At height 3 you have 4 Cn squared. Right? So up to where will this go? Because you have n by 2, n by 4. So इसका height क्या होगा? What is the height of the tree?
Height is log n to the base 2.
Very nice. Okay. So at the bottom when you have theta 1, how many theta 1s will you have? That's the question, right? How many of these will you have? Correct. But anyways, that's a different question. So just tell me this. At height I, at height I, what will the cost be? 1, 2, 4, क्या क्या याद दिलाता है?
2 raised to I.
Well, once again, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 2 raised to I. Good. Okay. So 2 raised to I, C, and square. How many times will this happen?
जितना height है उतना.
ठीक है. It's log n to the base 2 minus 1, but that's okay, not a big problem. Up to this term. At the end, the total cost is just the sum of these. So you have to find out how many will be there here. Correct. How many times you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now let's go again. How many ones will be there? There will be as many ones as there are branches. Is that correct? 8 branches in the from 0th level to first level. First level to second level, 8 into 8. You see, 8 into 8, 64 branches. Is that correct? Am
Yes,
I
sir.
correct? Yes. Third level, so first level, you have 8 branches. 8 into 8 branches. Next, what will you have? Below, you have 8 into 8 into 8. So at the ith level, you will have 8 raised to I branches. Is that correct?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the first level, right? Yeah. 8 raised to I. So at the log 2 to the base nth level, how many branches will you have? That's the total count, right? The theta, what is this equal to? 8 raised to log n to the base 2. Now you have to write this in terms of n raised to something. Right? Alright, so let's do that. This much is fine.
Yes, sir.
No. 8 raised to log n to the base 2. What is this equal to? So we'll have to write this down. This is 2 raised to 3, right? So it's 2 raised to 3 log n to the base 2. You have to bring n down. So you have to get 2 to the log n to the base 2 in order to get n. Right? That's why you are doing this. To get 2 to the log n to the base 2, the whole raised to 3. But this is n, and therefore this is n cube. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then, what is the total cost now? Oh, sorry. So the total cost is you add all of these, right? So 2 raised to I c(n) squared, that's T of n is equal to summation I going from 0 to log n to the base 2 minus 1, 2 raised to I c(n) squared plus theta n cube. Is that okay? Is that clear, everybody? That is equal to cn squared is common because the summation doesn't really matter, and you can take less than or equal to, and you can take summation up to infinity. That's what we have been doing. 0 to infinity equals to, right, plus theta n cube. Okay. Now what will the answer be? So you should tell me what you are getting. Answer is infinity. No? Correct?
Yes, sir.
There is a problem. Infinity cannot be the answer. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then what do we do? What we do is we go back again. At least you should have reached this stage, all of you. So we go back again. We will not take summation up to infinity. We'll just take this and see what we get. Okay? That's equal to cn squared summation I going from 0 to log n to the base 2 minus 1 2 to the I plus theta n cube. Alright, so cn squared, and what is this equal to now? This is equal to 2 raised to log n to the base 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, just see sum of the geometric series formula. Remember? Let me remind you. 1 plus a square up to a raised to r minus 1 is equal to a raised to r minus 1 by a minus 1. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Plus theta n cube. That is equal to Cn squared. What is 2 raised to log n to the base 2? What is this equal to? Now, somebody has to give me the answer.
It's n.
Thank you. 2 raised to log n to the base 2 is n. So that is just n minus 1 divided by 1 here. So there is nothing here. Okay. N minus 1 plus theta n cube. Less than or equal to Cn cube. The n minus 1 can be less than or equal to n. So Cn cube plus theta n cube. Cn cube plus theta n cube is again theta n cube. So you are getting the answer. It is just that sometimes you cannot go from here to here by just replacing the summation to infinity. You will have to be more careful. That's all. But at least up to this point, you should have been able to do it. It could have taken some time. That's okay. But something you should have written. Not the total cost. You should have at least told me what you get here on the right hand side. Cn square, 2n, 2cn square, 4cn square. Something. You could have told me the height. Alright. So anyway, so we get the same answer, right? Even master method gives us the same answer. Thank you. Answer cannot be different. You understand? It has to be the same answer. Okay? So T of n is less than or equal to. So T of n is less than or equal to theta n cube, and therefore you can simply write T of n is big O n cube from here. But master method always gives us theta instead of big O. We have seen that. That is okay. That is not a big problem. Okay. What we are more interested is in understanding it is n cube and not something else. Alright. Now we want to try substitution method and solve the same problem. Substitution method याद है? Substitution method में answer पहले दिया जाता है and then you have to show that it is true. So let's try to solve T of n is equal to 8 T of n by 2 plus theta n square to get solution big O n cube by substitution method. Is that okay? Now here's the thing. Your recursion tree method and your master method will always work. Substitution method need not always work. Okay, so remember that. So if you find a problem, don't just go and try to solve it using substitution method. Substitution method comes only when you are given the answer and asked show this. Okay. So let us see if we can solve this by substitution method or not. So prove by induction on n. You have to choose a constant, right? C greater than 0 such that something should happen which we'll choose later on. Then T of n is equal to 8 T of n by 2 plus So let us say this is something. So we can just consider theta. Okay, we have been doing that, right? In substitution method, we just take n square instead of theta n square, or you can take some c prime n square and then try to work it out, but you don't really need to do that. The answer will not change. Okay, so in substitution method, f of n is always taken as a pure term without the notation plus n square less than or equal to, by induction hypothesis, 8 c n by 2 q plus n square. Is it clear how we got induction hypothesis? Yes. What are we proving by induction? P of n is less than or equal to C n q. Right? So let me write that down here. Prove by induction that P of n is less than or equal to C n q. So now we choose C greater than 0 such that something has to happen. We will see what that is. So by induction hypothesis we have this, and what is this equal to? 2 cube is 8. Right? So this is just C n cube plus n square. Okay? Is this much clear?
Yes, sir.
So now do you see the problem? You can never show that this is less than or equal to C n cube because it's already greater than C n cube. Does not matter what C you choose. You choose C such that something happens. But okay, but this calculation already tells you that it is C n cube plus something more. So you cannot show this. So thus, what does that mean? Substitution method does not apply. That's all you see. If you remember, in limits we had the test fails. You remember? There used to be things like that. Some tests, if some condition holds, something is true. Otherwise, some other condition holds, limit is equal to this. But sometimes you will have to say that this test fails. It is that way. The substitution method does not apply. This method fails for this problem because you are already going beyond C and Q. It does not matter what that n square is. You can use substitution method whenever I ask you to. Master method also will not always work. Master method, one of the 3 cases given there should work, should apply. Then master method works. Otherwise, master method will not work. Recursion method can work in almost all cases. Okay, recursion method is the one that works more generally in almost all cases. Alright, understood? So we are out of time now. It's 2:30. So we'll stop here. I will give you some question sheets just for you to practice or something if you want to practice something. I mean, most of the things are just what we have done. The questions will be repeated, I think. Some 1 or 2 new questions you will find, that's all. Not more than that. About tomorrow's quiz. So you have to go to another class, I think. So let me just finish quickly. About tomorrow's quiz, it will be the same format as last time. Okay, objective. You have to click answers. You will log in with your name and email ID. Okay, some email ID. You use either your Birla College as far as possible. If you have not got your MS Teams ID, then you use your other ID and log in. And then the quiz will be open only for 1 hour, not for 2 days or something. Okay, I will open the quiz at 1:30 and I will post a message. I open it at 1:25 itself and post a message on MS Teams as well as on WhatsApp. And I will close the quiz at 2:25.
Objectives or theory?
Objective,
Hello?
just like last quiz, just like previous quiz, only objective.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, objectives or theory it will be?
Only objective, just like previous quiz.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. But now instead of 7 marks, you will have 14 marks. I don't think you need more than 1 hour. It's fairly simple. 14 marks. 125, I will open the quiz. I will send you a message. 2:30 is the deadline. I'll close the quiz by 2:35 or something. Okay. So that 5 minutes is not extra time for you. That 5 minutes is just to make sure that everybody's watch has crossed 2:30. 2:30. That's all. Okay. Once I close the quiz, if you did not submit, you did not submit. You lose those marks. Is that clear? It is very, very
Yes, sir.
important. Remember very carefully.
Yes,
It is
sir.
important that you submit by 2:30. Don't think that
Yes,
the
sir.
deadline is 2:35 and go up to 2:35. That depends on my clock. I'm
Yes,
doing
sir.
2:35 only to make sure that everybody's watch has crossed 2:30. That's all. Only for that reason. If you send me a mail or a message after that saying, sir, I have not submitted, please open it again, I'm not going to do that. I don't care how much you have solved. 2:30 you should have submitted. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, understood.
Okay then. So good luck for the quiz. I think we meet tomorrow morning again. So we will try to do something tomorrow. Or maybe I'll
Yes,
show
sir.
some pseudo.
Thank you, sir.
हेलो हेलो
Hello.
सर
Yes. Yes.
सर मुझे डाउट था वो लेफ्ट चाइल्ड और राइट चाइल्ड में
हाँ तो आपने कुछ कहा नहीं क्लास की शुरुआत में अभी कब
सर
हाँ बोलिए क्या डाउट है
सर अभी बता सर बस
So
मुझे
others who
इतना ही
want to
डाउट
go
है
to
कि
the next class you can leave and go. हाँ सलमा तुम बोलो.
यस सर सर मुझे बस यही डाउट है कि मतलब लेफ्ट कहाँ कौन सा लेना है और राइट में कौन सा कब लेना है यही डाउट था
तो हर एक नोट से अच्छा एक मिनट तो
सर एक्चुअल में नहीं थी ना इस क्लास में इसलिए
अपने की रिकॉर्डिंग तो है ना.
हाँ सर रिकॉर्डिंग देखा था बट थोड़ा डाउट था तभी भी
हाँ तो ऐसे कोई भी ट्री बनाते हैं तो एक वर्टेक्स का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड होता है ये राइट चाइल्ड होता है ये. सो दिस इज लेफ्ट चाइल्ड दिस इज राइट चाइल्ड एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड पेरेंट. इज दैट ओके? पेरेंट.
यस सर बट सर जो आप नंबरिंग दिए हो ना वो नंबरिंग में मुझे डाउट है कि कब कौन सा नंबर लेफ्ट में लेना है और कौन सा राइट में लेना है वो
किस डेट हीप में या कहाँ पर कौन से एल्गोरिथम में
सर अब जो
आपका डाउट
स्टार्टिंग वाला
किस
पहला
प्रॉब्लम.
सर एकदम स्टार्टिंग हाँ यस सर सर नो सर आगे आगे
यहाँ
यस सर एक मिनट हाँ हाँ एक मिनट सर आपने जैसे कि यहाँ पर 10 और
अच्छा
फिर
अच्छा आपको लेफ्ट कब
20
लेना है
हाँ
मतलब पहले स्टेप में कैसे
या
नंबर्स लेना है.
या
हाँ तो
सर या
वो सिंपल. सो बात ये है कि ओके सो इफ दैट इज नॉट क्लियर यू ऑलवेज गो टॉप टू बॉटम लेफ्ट टू राइट. यू ऑलवेज गो टॉप टू बॉटम एंड लेफ्ट टू राइट. Okay, so how will you build it? So I'm writing down here. You will also see this in the recording in the same order. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, then eighth, ninth, sorry, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. ऐसे ही लेना है. Is that okay? We
यस
were
सर
going top to bottom and you were going left to right. ठीक है शर्मा, क्लियर है?
यस सर यस
हाँ, लेफ्ट टू राइट ही फॉलो करना है हर रो में हमेशा. मतलब किसी का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड लेने से पहले बाकी पहले वालों का राइट चाइल्ड सभी खत्म होने चाहिए. या दैट्स द आइडिया. सो यू ऑलवेज गो लाइक दिस. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So let's meet tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. And
Sir,
without this,
hip sort also will come over.
sorry.
Sir, hip sort will also come over in exam.
हीप शॉट तो हमने किया था ना कल, आज थोड़ा बहुत। हाँ, हीप शॉट
No,
तो
no,
आएगा।
means it will come in exam or what? Can
हाँ,
come.
आ सकता है, आ सकता है। हीप शॉट तो ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था। I had asked you to solve हीप शॉट, no? I will not ask you to solve problem because we have not done tutorial. Tutorial नहीं किया है तो उसका problem solve करने के लिए नहीं कहूँगा। But whatever we did in lecture, properties or something, whatever we have discussed, that will come. Tutorial नहीं किया है तो problem नहीं आएगा, इतना ही फर्क है। Is that okay? But whatever
Yes, sir.
properties
Thank
we
you, sir.
discuss, whatever we did in lecture, that will come. Sure.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Bye everyone.
Yes, sir. Thank you.